Hi, my name is Colleen Jedi, and I'm the Director of Literacy Pathways here in District 205. Kindergarten students in D205 engage in academic learning opportunities across several content areas throughout the day. The following is an overview of our curricular programming for kindergarten in the areas of both literacy and social studies. Highlighted on the screen is our D205 literacy vision statement. As a district, we are committed to providing all students with opportunities to engage with complex texts about compelling topics using an integrated approach to developing reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. We do this in order to empower all students to learn about the world, cultivate their curiosity, and broaden their perspective through these literacy experiences. Our literacy instruction focuses on promoting both language comprehension and word recognition. In order to do this, we utilize high-quality literacy materials to support our instruction. To address the threads of language comprehension in grades K-5, we use Wit and Wisdom, which is a knowledge-building curriculum utilizing complex text sets and aligned writing tasks. To address the threads of word recognition instruction in grades K-3, we utilize Fundations, which focuses on building students' foundational skills. These curricular resources have been aligned to a set of books called Geodes. Geodes have been designed to act as a bridge between language comprehension and word recognition. In our dual language classrooms, teachers utilize units of studies to build language comprehension in both English and Spanish. These units of studies are built around the same topics that students study in our Wit and Wisdom curriculum. Dual language teachers also utilize a combination of both Estrella to build foundational skills in Spanish and Fundations to build foundational skills in English. Beginning in kindergarten and continuing on through third grade, teachers follow the scope and sequence of Fundations that provides your child with rich opportunities to deepen knowledge of the word recognition strand, including print concepts, phonemic awareness, decoding, sight word recognition, and fluency. Fundations also reinforces comprehension development by supporting accurate, fluent word reading, which is a leading factor that ultimately affects students' comprehension skills. Fundations follows a systematic approach to developing these word recognition skills. On the left, you can see a summary of the skills students will secure across the school year. These skills build on one another, moving from the identification of letter names and sounds at the start of the year to reading and spelling approximately 200 consonant-vowel-consonant words by the end of the year. Students also learn to read and write several trick words or common high-frequency words that may contain irregular spelling patterns. In Wit and Wisdom, students study engaging texts that are centered around high-interest topics in order to help students build knowledge in both liberal arts and sciences. There is time for the integration of reading and writing, as well as listening, speaking, grammar, and vocabulary, all on a daily basis. The major topics covered in kindergarten focus on the 5 senses, farms and farm animals, as well as America Then and Now. Each module in Wit and Wisdom centers around an essential question that students strive to answer by exploring both literary and informational texts, as well as visual art. There are also integrated writing tasks throughout the module that your child will experience, along with a culminating end-of-module task that showcases students' understanding and application of the knowledge they have gained through the learning experience. For our social studies curriculum, we utilize a high-quality resource from Inquire Ed. The Inquire Ed journeys focus on engaging students in inquiry-based learning that centers around a specific inquiry question, followed by investigation and action products. Elementary social studies instruction is centered on specific themes that build on one another across grade levels. Kindergarten's theme is My Social World. During this year, students investigate their role in the school community as well as how they can contribute to their classroom community.